Hey! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And look at the weather today, guys. It's so nice. Very nice weather today. Almond cake.
I don't know where you get
I'll have the Swedish meatballs.
mashed potatoes and broccoli, okay?
Yep.
Yep.
What's that, quiche?
I don't know what that is.
Did you want the sauce on them?
Some gravy?
Yep.
Usually there's a different sauce, but we don't have it. Or you can put this on the side if
Okay.
you're not sure.
Thank you.
That way, if you don't like it, they're not on everything.
I appreciate it. It's been a long time that we didn't eat mashed potato. Have you noticed that?
Well, it's not on my diet.
Well, I know, but oh, it's foaming now. Hey guys, so we are here now at Ikea. It's been almost 3 years since I came back here in Ikea. So the first time that I went here, it was just like the time that I arrived. When is that the time, babe? The first time we came here? It's 2019. Yeah,
2000 and when?
2019.
No.
Yeah, I only came here once.
2000.
And this is my
19.
second time. Huh?
You didn't get here to 2019, right?
Yeah, I am here in 2019.
You said 2018.
2019.
Oh.
Yay! We are at the section of the true pillowcases.
Hey.
I'm here.
$1.99.
Together with a pillow. Those are cute. $1.99.
It's cheap.
I like this one. What do you think, guys? There's here for 9 bucks, $6.99.